Okay, from the main run screen, head to the main menu,
Harvester head, feeding, Delimb knife pressure. This is your Delimb knife graph. To adjust it, make sure you're in the species you want to adjust. Pick green. Make sure you're selecting the proper Delimb knife, whether it's got a lower Delimb knife or upper Delimb knives. Now, before you select adjust curve form, make sure the head is closed. Make sure the roll arms are closed. Then select adjust curve form. It's going to give you a disclaimer that the hydraulics will be active. Select yes. Now we have the points on the graph. Each one of these points is at a certain diameter. You can move that point for the diameter, and you can move it up and down for milliamps. Keep the graph nice and consistent. Now you can select the smallest point. Right now it's at 2.3 inches. We can move it forward to 3 inches. Now, these are the milliamps that it's sending to the coils to squeeze the Delimb knives. And we can go up and down from there, and it keeps that graph in a nice shape. Now, basically, you want those Delimb knives to stay in contact with the tree the whole time, but not squeeze to the point that they're slowing it down. So it is sensitive. So going up 5 to 10 milliamps at a time until until the Delimb knives are in contact with the whole tree as it's tapering with the speed of the head. But just go up 5 to 10 milliamps at a time until you're happy with it staying in contact. And then when it stops its feeding cycle, it's got to be in contact or else it will snap shut, because then it's going to go into its sawing phase and it's going into its saw holding pressure from there. So you want those Delimb knives to stay in contact the whole time, not slow it down, and then you can stop and cut without it snapping shut.